So I'm going to begin counting. And with every number I count, what I'd like you to do is easily open and close your eyes. Now, at any point, if your eyes are heavy and you just want to keep them closed, go ahead and keep them closed. All right? So 1, open and close your eyes. 2, open and close again, eyelids getting heavier. 3, open and close, feeling more relaxed. 4, open and close again, and you can just keep your eyes closed if you'd like. 5, deeper and deeper relaxed. 6, eyelids even heavier. 7, 8, you might just want to keep them closed. 9, and 10. If your eyes aren't already closed, go ahead and leave them closed. Take in a nice deep breath. Exhale completely. Relax your jaw. And as you do, it'll come open slightly, which is entirely natural. This engages your vagus nerve, which right now is sending messages to your entire body that now is the time to relax. You are in exactly the right place at exactly the right time. Again, good job. Now gradually slow down your breathing and get into a comfortable, slow rhythm of breathing with a long exhalation. And this invites your body to relax even further, which then allows your mind to drift peacefully. Good. Now relax the back of your tongue. Liberate your mind from the part of your tongue preparing to speak. Imagine speech dissolving as the mind is freed to experience new thoughts, expansive thoughts, or perhaps no thoughts at all. Perhaps silence, stillness, serenity. Good. Now in a moment, we're going to drop into the heart. Take in a nice deep breath. Then as you exhale, imagine dropping your consciousness into your heart. Good. Where it's familiar and gentle and wise. Good job. And now as you take in another nice and deep breath, you imagine floating above your body. And you can see yourself sitting here in a classroom or on a Zoom. And you continue floating up higher and higher, feeling peaceful. You can see the energy. You can see the love. You can see the connection being created right here, right now. And you realize you are a creator. You are the one creating this. And it feels good. Good job. Now in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. And as I do, you gently float back into your body. 1, floating into your body, feeling safe and secure, calm and focused, with an open mind and an open heart, ready to receive and absorb all of this amazing hypnosis information here today and place it into all of the things you already know. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. 2, floating all the way into your body. And 3, opening your eyes, feeling absolutely fantastic. Good job, everybody. And you do feel good, don't you? Bravo. Okay, so we initiated that with an eye fractionation. And then I gave you the rest of the alpha sequence. So